Paying with a Capitec virtual card is a secure and convenient way to make online purchases. Here's how to do it. Obtain your virtual card. Log into the Capitec banking app and navigate to the card section. Select virtual card to create one. Follow the prompts to generate your virtual card, which will provide you with the card number, expiry date and CVV. Add funds. Ensure your virtual card has sufficient funds. You can add money from your main Capitec account or other linked accounts. Shopping online. When ready to shop, choose the items you want and proceed to checkout on the merchant's website. Select payment method. At checkout, select the option to pay by card. Enter your Capitec virtual card details, card number, expiry date, and CVV. Confirm payment. Review your order details and submit the payment. You may receive a notification or confirmation within the app for security. Keep track. After the transaction, monitor your account for the deduction to ensure your payment was successful.